Hello everyone, welcome to Andy's World. Ellavarkum Onam Ashamsangal. Happy Onam everyone. Today we are going to prepare Paira Payasam or green gram payasam. This is a very traditional sweet made especially in Kerala during Onam, Vishu or any special occasion. It's also very healthy as it has healthy ingredients like green gram, coconut milk and jaggery. Without wasting any time, let's start making our Paira Payasam. I have taken 2.5 cups of green gram and I have soaked it for 4 hours. You can still cook this without soaking, but soaking the gram will make it soft. You can decrease the amount of gram or increase it depending on the quantity you want to make. With this quantity, you can serve 6 to 8 people. Let's put this in a pressure cooker and add 2 cups of water. Let's cook this for 4 to 6 whistles or until the dal is soft. Other ingredients for the payasam: 1 cup of jaggery or 200 grams of jaggery. If you want your payasam to be more sweeter, then you can increase the quantity by 2 to 3 tablespoons. We need to melt the jaggery in a saucepan, add little bit of water so that it will dissolve. Cook this on low flame so that let it dissolve completely. Once that is done, you will find a little bit of lumps of jaggery. That's okay. When you keep stirring, it will get dissolved. There would also be dirt, so we will have to strain it later. Jaggery is completely melted and it is all bubbling, so let's stop at this stage. If you overcook it, it will become more thick, so stop it at this stage. So our next set of ingredients is coconut milk. I have used 1 whole coconut. I have ground it. And this is the second extract milk. This will be a little watery compared to the first extract. So after you extract the thick milk, we add 2 more glasses of water to extract the second milk. Now this is a thick milk, first milk which we get from grinding coconut. And now this is the jaggery which we have filtered. This is 1 cup of jaggery. So we have taken a few pieces of coconut and dry fruits, cashew and raisins. Ghee for frying the dry fruits and coconut, and 1 spoon of cardamom powder. So let us now fry our dry fruits and coconut. So let's add some ghee. Ghee is nicely heated. Let's add in the dry fruits first. Fry them until light brown and then we can keep it aside. So the dry fruits are nicely turned golden brown. We can transfer it into a bowl. In the same pan, let's add the chopped coconut and we need to fry this until light golden brown. The coconut has turned nice light golden brown, so let's transfer this into a bowl. I'm using the same pan but I've removed ghee. Let's add the melted jaggery into it. So this is approximately 250 grams of melted jaggery or 1 cup of jaggery. Cook this on medium flame until it becomes little thick. Jaggery has started to bubble, which means that it is starting to get thick now. So at this stage, let's add in our cooked dal. The green gram should nicely be cooked in this jaggery syrup so that the dal absorbs the sweetness from the jaggery. Let the jaggery turn thick along with dal, otherwise the dal will taste bland. So the jaggery and the dal is turned thick now, which is right consistency. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can use the same ghee which you fried the dry fruits and coconut. Now let's add in our second extract of coconut milk. Don't add the first extract now, just add the second milk. This is around 2 cups of second milk. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, freshly crushed one, because that will actually enhance the flavor. Store-bought will not give you that flavor. So mix that well. Payasam is nicely bubbling. We'll add in our fried coconut and cashew raisins. Give it a good mix and let this payasam cook well, and all the ingredients need to be blended well. Leave this to cook for like 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes a little thick, because we're going to add our first milk later on. It's been 5 minutes now and the payasam is thickened, if you can notice. While I'm stirring, I can actually make out it's thick. It's the right time to add in our first extract of milk. This is 1 cup of first milk. Once you add in the first milk, mix it well, but do not let it boil. Just turn off the stove once it starts to bubble. Can you see it just starting to bubble? We'll turn it off. Overcooking the payasam will curdle the coconut milk. Pacha Pairu payasam or the green gram payasam is ready to be tasted now. Hope you all liked today's video, and do try this recipe with your family and friends and enjoy this Onam with this relishing payasam. Once again, I wish you all safe and happy Onam, everybody. See you soon in my next video. And yes, please do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload my video.